classroom. It is square-shaped with 2 doors and 2 windows. There is air conditioning, a whiteboard in the front, and many desks and chairs around me. It's a place where we study every day. But when I think about the future, I imagine something more. In the future, I hope everyone can have their own computer and headphones, a space where they can focus and learn at their own pace. I imagine personal bookshelves, delicious foods and drinks when we feel tired, and a classroom that is warm in winter and cool in summer. A place where learning feels comfortable and students feel supported. I have participated in the spelling bee competition 4 times. 3 of those times I won first place because I achieved good results in English. I believe that in the future I will have a great opportunity to study abroad. This is one of my dreams, and I am working step by step to get closer to it. I am here to support your learning. When you don't understand something, I will remind you. When you are about to forget, I will help you remember. Right now, there is still so much knowledge I need to learn. Something I forget, something I feel unsure. I hope that AI can remind me when I need to help and prevent me from missing important things. But for everything else, I want to rely on my own effort. To my future self, I hope you remember that how hard you are making today. Don't forget why you started, and don't forget that you once believed in yourself.